This is the fishing report for the cabins at Lopstick. It's being shot from Rock Creek, Montana, as the camera and myself are here. I'm going to be talking with Bill, and maybe at the end of the video, we'll have some Montana fishing action. So if anybody was ever wondering what Rock Creek is all about, we talked about it a bit. We have a rental cabin here. This is Rock Creek. Cool, so the ice is broken up around the edges and it's getting black. So what kind of river flows do we have? They're up. 90 out of first. Whoa, 1,008 out of second. That must be because it's coming over the top. What's happening down at Murphy? 189. Did you hear that John Howe caught like an 8-pound brown down below Murphy yesterday? Holy crap! So what are your water temperatures? Into 39 to 42. Boy, how much longer do you think for the ice? April 17th is a fine day. My birthday. So, geez, and what's your weather like this week? It's perfect. It's not raining? Oh. Oh, I see. I'm getting the weather from your weather from Montana, and it looks like it's raining there. Oh, cool. So, well, if you get rain on the ice, is that going to move it up? Awesome. So what kind of water temperatures are we looking for to see those salmon? 46, 48? Ooh, so we're getting close. Awesome. And any suggestions for fishing below Murphy other than do what John Howe does? Holy crap. I'm not going to repeat that. So you said that you've been fishing. Do you have any luck? What'd you get? Rainbows and some strikes. Cool. All right. I promised fishing pictures, but not today. Seems we're in a sleet storm here on Rock Creek. But we'll be updating the Lopstick site as soon as there's something to tell and the ice goes out. So make your reservations and come on up. We've also got some really awesome April rates, so if the fishing starts early, you can save on cabin prices. Happy fishing.